Hello everyone, hello dear students, welcome to ATP Star Quota. Hoping that all of you are well and taking care of yourself. So guys, today's video is regarding BITSAT 2023 and here is a very important questions which students keep on asking, that is regarding eligibility criteria for BITSAT 2023. So guys, in this small video you will understand everything about the eligibility criteria and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel as well. So over to you Amit sir, this is a very big question in the students community about the BITSAT 2023. So over to you.
Yes, sir. Sir, the main confusion between the student is that they require 75% in overall, or they require this 75% criteria in individual subjects like physics, chemistry, or maths. So I think this is the main confusion between the students. So I think we can clarify through this video.
Yes guys, so the big question is ki whether the criteria is 75% or 80% or 85%, whether it is 90%, whatever that is. So let me clarify everything for you. First of all, you must have passed class 12th. Either you are appearing for class 12 this year, or maybe you have passed, yani you are a dropper, you can say. But double droppers, sir, cannot give this exam, right? So single droppers and freshers can attempt this exam. First of all, this is the criteria. Second eligibility is regarding your board exam score. Board exam score is very, very important. First of all, I want to tell about one secret thing which you must know, that you can go to BITSAT, you can go to BITS Pilani or any other campus like Goa and Al Habibi Dubai, you can go anywhere. Just you have to do a very simple thing. You have to top in the board exam. So can you do it? I think most of you, cannot do it.
Stream also.
Yes, you can select your stream, but it's very difficult thing to do. So if you top in the board exam, you get rank 1, then only you are eligible for direct admission in any of the campuses with any of the streams. So sir, this was a very important and secret things which many of the students don't know, and I think most of them won't be able to apply for it because topping in the board exam is not like cakewalk, as you know. Now there are three major criteria. As you can see, student must have got total aggregate 75% marks in PCM, physics, chemistry and mathematics, right? Yeah, for the engineering streams, if we say there is a pharmaceutical branch as well, in that branch if you say biology is there instead of mathematics, so you have to score overall 75% in these 3 subjects cumulatively, right? Now the point is, can you score just 50% in physics or 95% in chemistry? Can you make that? No, you have to score. It is clearly written. You have to score minimum of 60% in each of these subjects. This is another very important thing, sir. Now there is one more thing that, okay, for the biology, I think we have already told that instead of mathematics, you can take biology. So, yeah. Now the main question is, main question students have is whether they should, start preparing for BITSAT 2023 right now, or should they do it once the, JEE exam is over. What do you think, sir?
Okay, sir, I think students should start their preparation for BITSAT from now only because they can take advantage, because there are 2 subjects also there that are not in JEE syllabus. So if they start by studying these 2 subjects, then they can take advantage. So do we have any course for these type of students so they can prepare from ATP Star also?
Sir, is like very clear in this part that you have to prepare from right now, because challenges are there. Once your JEE is over, BITSAT has a different pattern. It has more number of questions. The level of the questions is low, and apart from that, English and logical reasoning is also there. So you have to start your preparation right now if you are sincere about your getting into BITS Pilani campus or any of the other campuses. Now for that advantage, many of the students are looking for, sir, they're looking for a special course which is specific for BITSAT. And they can also manage with JEE preparation, because the main question they have is that whether they will be able to manage it or not, right? So we have designed a course in such a way that even if you spare around 1 hour every single day, you will be able to crack BITSAT 2023. It will include so many things. So let me introduce to you, you must be knowing about this, that is BITSAT Master Course BMC for BITSAT 2023. So guys, here in this particular course, you will be getting so many questions, thousands of questions you will be getting for practice, which are highly relevant for BITS exam. You will be getting English proficiency as well as logical reasoning, very complete, and so that you can prepare well in advance. You will be getting 180 plus hours of lectures, in which revision lectures will also be there. Along with that, you will be getting access to 1000 plus concept videos, with the help of which you can cover the theoretical aspects in which you are weak as well. So it is the one-stop solution for all your needs. You have the syllabus, you have concept videos for syllabus completion, so that you can select the part in which you are weak, and you have to do only that part, not everything, right? And you get the test series as well. You have 7 full length syllabus mock test as well as part test, so it has everything. And we have one more amazing thing for you, right? For limited period, there is a special code which is applicable, that is BITSAT. You can use this code, BITSAT code, and you can enroll in this batch, right? You will get a special fee benefit for this. And in the description, Amit sir, yes, in the description all the details are given. In the description, the video in which we have told all the details of BMC, you can see that video as well, and various links are given, so check the description for sure. And if you have any other query, just tell us in the comment section given below. Make sure you hit the like button. For ATP Star team, for Amit sir, and take care and love you all.